Title: Decoding Hospital HVAC Systems, an in-depth exploration. Introduction. Greetings viewers, today we embark on a comprehensive journey into the realm of hospitalized air conditioning. Join me as we unravel the intricacies of HVAC systems in healthcare facilities, dissecting their construction, operational mechanisms, and pivotal significance in maintaining optimal indoor environments. I would like to introduce to our guide Dr. Yogesh Padya. He is a certified energy auditor, having a wide experience in energy audit for industries and commercial buildings. And these are our group members: Sheikh Mohammad Muzammil, Sheikh Mohammad Omar, Srikant Bara, and Sarthak Surve. Together, we shall demystify the world of hospital HVAC systems.
Hospitalized Air-Conditioning Overview of HVAC Systems. Let us commence by delving into the fundamental principles of HVAC systems. HVAC, an acronym for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, serves as the cornerstone of indoor environmental control. These sophisticated systems are engineered to regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality, fostering a conducive atmosphere for healing and recovery. HVAC fundamentals: heating, ventilation, air conditioning construction of hospital HVAC systems. Moving forward, let's dissect the intricate construction of HVAC systems in hospital settings. These intricate systems comprise a myriad of components, including air handlers, ductwork, filters, and control systems. Each component plays a pivotal role in ensuring the seamless operation and efficiency of the HVAC infrastructure. Hospitalized Air Conditioning Overview of HVAC Systems. Let us commence by delving into the fundamental principles of HVAC systems. HVAC, an acronym for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, serves as the cornerstone of indoor environmental control. These sophisticated systems are engineered to regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality, fostering a conducive atmosphere for healing and recovery. Construction blueprint of hospital HVAC systems. Working mechanism of hospital HVAC systems. Now, let's delve into the operational intricacies of hospital HVAC systems. The process commences with the intake of ambient air, which undergoes meticulous filtration to eliminate contaminants. Subsequently, the conditioned air is distributed throughout the hospital via a network of ductwork, ensuring uniform and regulated airflow for occupants.
Let's talk about the treated fresh air. Treating fresh air is a vital aspect of hospital HVAC systems. Filtering incoming fresh air removes pollutants, allergens, and pathogens, reducing the risk of airborne infections. Advanced technologies like UVC light may be used to kill bacteria and viruses in the air, enhancing indoor air quality. Indoor air quality. It is necessary to maintain air quality as it is crucial for hospitals to promote healing and well-being. Parameters such as particulate matter, temperature, humidity, ventilation rate, and air filtration must be monitored and maintained. Poor air quality can lead to the spread of infections and impact overall health, emphasizing the importance of clean indoor air in healthcare settings.
Critical role of HVAC in healthcare facilities. Parameters for optimal HVAC performance. To ensure the peak performance of hospital HVAC systems, meticulous monitoring of key parameters is imperative. These parameters encompass precise temperature control, humidity modulation, air circulation optimization, and filtration efficacy. By adhering to these benchmarks, hospitals can cultivate a sterile and comfortable environment conducive to healing. Key performance indicators for hospital HVAC systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, hospital HVAC systems emerge as unsung heroes in the healthcare landscape, diligently fostering a hygienic and comfortable milieu for all occupants. By comprehending the construction, functionality, and significance of HVAC systems in hospitals, we gain a profound appreciation for their indispensable role in patient care and recovery.
Thank you. Queries and feedback. Thank you for accompanying us on this enlightening expedition through hospitalized air conditioning. You should have any queries or feedback, please share them below. Stay tuned for forthcoming illuminating explorations into healthcare infrastructure and technological innovations. Remember, the foundation of a healthy environment lies in the efficiency of HVAC systems. Until the next time.